There are many legal issues that service members and families may face. Thankfully, the military provides resources to help you navigate these issues. Although there are some legal issues that you will want to connect with a lawyer outside of the military to resolve, such as criminal issues, most military families will be able to find support through their commands, their local legal assistance office, and Military OneSource. Active duty military, retired service members, and their families are eligible for free legal assistance, including drafting powers of attorney, drafting wills, guiding estate planning, providing family law advice, reviewing contracts and leases, providing notary services, offering consumer advice, helping with taxes, assisting in immigration and naturalization issues, advising in civil lawsuits, and protecting service members' rights and responsibilities. Let's take a look now at one young soldier and her predicament.
Hey, Sarge, can I talk to you a minute?
Sure, go right ahead. You look like you just lost your best friend.
Thanks, Sarge. This next deployment is 6 months long. Right after we get back, I will PCS. I need to break my lease and send my wife to live with her parents until I get back. I want to put my household goods into temporary storage. The problem is that my landlord won't let me break the lease without a stiff penalty. Do you have any suggestions for me?
Boy, that is a tough one. Sounds to me like you should be able to break the lease using the military clause, but I'm not sure. Why don't you stop by the housing office to see what they say?
Since this is a military community, almost all of the landlords around here honor military clauses. I noticed a clause in your lease that says, "This lease is hereby binding to all parties in all situations and cannot be broken without a penalty equaling rental fees for the remaining time on the lease." It doesn't address the military clause at all. Why don't you stop by the legal affairs office and see if they can help you?
This looks fixable to me. In the future, I would advise you to never sign a lease without carefully reading it first. But back to this situation. Let's draft a personal letter explaining your situation and your need to break the lease. Take the letter to your landlord with a copy of your orders. Politely ask them to revise the lease to include a military clause. That should fix it. If not, come back and see me, and we'll see what else can be done.
The soldier talked to her landlord, and the landlord quickly realized that she had made an error by excluding the military clause from the lease. She apologized and reassured the soldier that under the circumstances she could break that lease without a penalty. Legal issues such as this one are not that uncommon among service members. I think you realize how complicated legal issues can become. The good news is that there are many free legal resources on base that are available to you and your family members. Please don't hesitate to take advantage of them, starting with your chain of command.